Making a pitch for one country, one language, Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Raut on Saturday said Hindi is spoken across India and has acceptability, and added that Union Minister Amit Shah should accept the challenge that there should be one language in all the states. His statement comes over a month after Shah said that Hindi should be accepted as an alternative to English and not to local languages, a statement that was vociferously opposed by several prominent political leaders in southern states who said foisting Hindi on people was not acceptable and also called it a part of an agenda to weaken the regional languages. Raut's comment was in response to a question about Tamil Nadu Education Minister K. Ponmudi a day earlier decrying any attempts of alleged imposition of Hindi and questioning claims that learning the language would fetch jobs.